The AI war is inside Indian IT. India's largest IT companies are not short of AI talent, tools, or ambition. They are blocked by internal silos, separated teams, disconnected data, and leadership structures built for a different era. AI needs shared data, fast decisions, and cross-team execution, but traditional IT models were designed around hierarchy, billing hours, and risk control, not speed or experimentation. So the real challenge is not building AI systems, it is breaking internal walls that were profitable for decades. If these companies cannot align internally, global clients will not slow down, they will build AI in-house or shift contracts to competitors who move faster. AI reduces manpower dependency and shifts pricing from hours to outcomes that threatens the very revenue model Indian IT scaled on for years. That means hiring patterns change, mid-level roles get squeezed, and salary growth becomes tied to AI strategy rather than traditional delivery management. For investors, AI announcements mean nothing without execution, and execution depends on internal alignment. Watch whether companies centralize AI leadership or embed AI deeply into every vertical. That decision will define their speed. Watch acquisitions of smaller AI startups, because buying capability is often faster than fixing internal politics. Watch hiring signals, more data engineers and automation architects, fewer generic coding roles. The companies that break silos first will lead the next decade, the rest may look large, but move slowly. The toughest AI challenge in Indian IT is not technology, it is tearing down the internal systems that now hold it back. If you work in tech, this shift will reach you sooner than you think. Subscribe for sharp tech breakdowns that track what changes next.